Why is silver going up? Reasons behind the price surge. The global silver market is seeing a big jump in prices. Everyone is asking, what's driving this spike in silver prices? Known factors include high demand after the pandemic and new uses for silver in industries. Predictions show that by 2024, the travel and tourism industry will be back in shape. This good news has fueled interest in silver as a safe place to invest. Also, gold prices are climbing, making many turn to silver for its value. Pent-up demand, driving silver prices higher. The global economy is bouncing back from COVID-19. This is causing a big jump in demand for silver. Many want it, from businesses needing it for making things to people buying it as a way to protect their money. Global economic recovery, fueling industrial demand. The world is recovering economically, boosting the need for silver in industries. Everything from smartphones to solar panels uses silver. As more people buy these products, the need for silver grows. This has led to a rush for silver by companies. They are trying hard to get enough of it. This scramble has played a big part in raising silver prices lately. Pent-up demand from investors seeking safe haven assets. Investors are also after silver for protection. They see it as a smart move to safeguard their money against uncertain times. This investor demand, mixed with industrial needs, is raising silver's price tags. Silver's reputation for keeping its value over time makes it a go-to for many investors. They add it to their mixes of assets to keep things balanced. This is also helping drive the demand and prices up. Supply dynamics impacting silver availability. The global economy is getting stronger. This is causing the demand for silver to rise. But this growth in demand is putting a lot of stress on silver supply dynamics. Things like mining disruptions and production constraints are really shaping how much silver is available. Mining disruptions and production constraints. Many issues are making it hard to produce silver. These issues include the pandemic, global tensions, and environmental problems. Because of these, the amount of silver being produced is not enough to meet the rising need. This mismatch in supply and demand has made silver supply very tight, depleting silver stockpiles and tight supply. The silver supply dynamics are facing challenges. Global silver stockpiles are slowly getting used up. This gradual use of silver stockpiles is making the supply of silver even tighter. As a result, silver prices are going up. This makes it harder for both industries and investors to get the silver they need. Industrial use is boosting silver consumption. Today, the global economy is getting stronger. This is boosting the need for silver. Its use in industries is growing. This is because silver's properties are ideal for making things like renewable energy tech, electronics, and cars. Silver's role in renewable energy technology. Renewable energy sources are on the rise. They need silver for their tech. For example, silver is key in making solar panels work better. It's also used to craft electronic parts in wind turbines. This pushes the need for silver higher. Growing demand from electronics and automotive industries. The need for silver is also growing in electronics and cars. Silver is a must for making different products in electronics. In cars, it helps with sensors, screens, and other tech. With more demand for high-tech gadgets and electric cars, silver's use is going up. The rise in industrial use is making silver more popular. This trend plays a big role in the recent price increase. It shows how important silver is for tech growth and green energy. Economic growth and expanding industrial production. Silver prices are rising due to world economies picking up after COVID-19. This means more stuff is being made now. The need for silver in things like green energy, electronics, and cars is growing fast. Silver's dual role as industrial metal and investment asset. Silver isn't just for making things anymore. It's also seen as a smart investment. People are buying silver to protect their money. This new interest, along with more things being made, is why silver is now more valuable. Silver as a safe haven and investment opportunity. In times like these, filled with uncertainty and inflation, people are looking at silver. It's seen as a safe haven and a hedge against inflation. The price of silver has gone up a lot, now at 96,600 Indian rupees per kilogram. This shows more and more people are choosing it for their investments. Hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Silver keeps its value well, even when the economy is not doing so great. This makes it a good choice for those who want to protect their wealth against inflation. When prices go up, people often turn to silver and other precious metals. They have a history of doing well during rough economic times. This quality makes silver a strong asset for those who wish to protect their wealth against inflation. As central banks try to keep rising prices in check, people often buy precious metals. Silver has a history of holding value when economies face challenges. Portfolio diversification and potential for capital appreciation. Adding silver to your investment mix can bring chances for your money to grow. It's a tangible asset known to appreciate over time. Silver is used in many industries and people see it as a safe haven. This makes it appealing for those looking to diversify their investments and reduce risks. Geopolitical factors influencing silver prices. Besides supply and demand, geopolitical factors greatly influence silver prices. Global trade tensions and political unrest lead to uncertainty. This uncertainty affects how people view precious metals like silver. Trade tensions and tariff concerns. The USA and China's trade war impacts the silver market greatly. As they clash over tariffs, it raises worries about global supply chains. This makes people question silver's economic and safe haven values. Political instability and investor sentiment. Geopolitical issues such as unrest or policy shifts can sway how investors see silver. During uncertain times, silver becomes more attractive as a shield against market risks. But when markets feel stable, silver's appeal could drop, causing its prices to change. Future projections and price outlook. The silver market is attracting a lot of attention from investors and the industry. The topic of interest now is the future silver price projections and silver market forecasts. Experts are closely watching what might influence silver's path in the next few years. Analysts' forecasts and market expectations. Market analysts are somewhat positive about the future silver price projections. They believe silver prices might keep going up. This is thanks to its steady use in industry and as a safe place to put money. But the silver market forecasts warn that there might be some bumpy roads. Potential risks and challenges ahead. The rising silver prices have brought some worries to light. Experts mention several risks and challenges in the silver market. These could have an impact on what happens next. Issues like global financial uncertainties, problems in the supply chain, and changes in rules by governments could all play a part. Additional worries include new tech advancements and how people's likes might change. These factors could also affect the silver market forecasts in the future. To deal with the future silver price projections and silver market forecasts, we need to stay alert. Understand the many things that influence silver's journey carefully. For both the industry and investors, keeping a close watch is key. This can help spot opportunities and tackle challenges wisely. Conclusion. The rise in silver prices comes from many reasons. There's a high demand, especially from the industry. This is as the global economy bounces back. Many see silver as a safe place for their money because of these changes post-pandemic. Issues with silver supply have also pushed prices higher. Things like problems with mining and low stocks make it hard to find silver. Silver is used a lot in new tech and the car industry. That makes it even more wanted. The future for silver looks bright. Prices could keep going up, but investing in silver has its risks, like trouble between countries and ups and downs in the market. Remember to research well, spread your investments, and talk to experts. This can help you choose wisely.